UPS, or uninterruptible power supply, is a critical component in many systems, designed to provide backup power in the event of a main power failure. However, the effectiveness of a UPS is heavily reliant on the integrity of its components, particularly the battery system. The battery system within a UPS is a series of interconnected cells, and these inter-cell connections are vital for the proper functioning of the entire system. When these connections are loose or improperly torqued, it can lead to a variety of problems that can ultimately compromise the UPS ability to perform its intended function. One of the most significant issues with loose UPS battery connections is increased resistance. Electrical resistance is the opposition to the flow of electric current in a circuit. When connections are loose, the contact area between the terminals is reduced, leading to a higher resistance at the connection point. This increased resistance generates heat, as electrical energy is dissipated in overcoming the resistance. This heat can further degrade the connection, causing it to loosen even more over time, creating a feedback loop of degradation. The heat generated by loose connections can also damage the battery terminals and the surrounding component. Excessive heat can cause the terminals to corrode or even melt, leading to a complete failure of the connection. The heat can also damage the battery cells themselves, reducing their capacity and lifespan. In severe cases, the heat can even cause a fire. Another problem caused by loose UPS battery connections is voltage drop. As current flows through a loose connection, the increased resistance causes a voltage drop across the connection. This voltage drop can reduce the overall voltage available to the UPS system, potentially causing it to malfunction or shut down prematurely. The voltage drop can also affect the charging of the batteries, preventing them from reaching their full capacity. This can significantly reduce the amount of backup power available during a power outage. Loose connections can also lead to arcing. Arcing is the formation of an electrical discharge between two conductors. It can occur when there is a gap between the conductors, such as in a loose connection. The arcing can generate a significant amount of heat and electromagnetic interference, which can damage the UPS and other nearby equipment. Arcing can also create ozone, which is a corrosive gas that can damage the battery terminals and other components. The primary cause of loose UPS battery connections is often improper installation or maintenance. When the connections are initially installed, it is important to ensure that they are properly torqued to the manufacturer's specifications. Over time, the connections can loosen due to vibration, temperature changes, and other factors. Therefore, it is important to periodically inspect and retorque the connections to ensure that they remain tight. Firstly, regular inspections should be part of a comprehensive maintenance program. Secondly, these inspections should include a visual check of the connections for any signs of corrosion, damage, or looseness. Thirdly, the connections should be checked with a torque wrench to ensure that they are within the specified range. It's also important to use the correct tools and procedures when tightening the connections. Using the wrong tools or applying too much torque can damage the terminals and connections. It is also important to follow the manufacturer's recommendations for the proper torque values. In addition to proper installation and maintenance, the quality of the connectors themselves is also important. Using high-quality connectors that are designed for the specific application can help to ensure that the connections remain tight and reliable over time. It is also important to use connectors that are made from corrosion-resistant materials. Proper torque is crucial for ensuring the reliability of UPS battery connections. Torque is a measure of the rotational force applied to a fastener, such as a bolt or nut. Applying the correct torque ensures that the connection is tight enough to provide good electrical contact, but not so tight that it damages the components. The correct torque value for a particular connection will depend on the size and type of fastener, as well as the materials being joined. Manufacturers typically specify the recommended torque values for their products, and it is important to follow these recommendations carefully. Using a torque wrench is essential for ensuring that the correct torque is applied. A torque wrench is a specialized tool that allows you to measure the amount of torque being applied to a fastener. There are different types of torque wrenches available, including click type, beam type, and digital torque wrenches. Click type torque wrenches are the most common type, and they provide an audible click when the desired torque is reached. Beam-type torque wrenches are simpler and less expensive, but they require more skill to use accurately. Digital torque wrenches provide a digital readout of the torque being applied, and they are typically the most accurate type. When tightening UPS battery connections, it is important to use a torque wrench that is calibrated to the correct range. It is also important to use the correct size and type of socket for the fastener being tightened. Before tightening the connections, it is important to clean the terminals and connectors to remove any corrosion or dirt. This will help to ensure good electrical contact. A wire brush or sandpaper can be used to clean the terminals and connectors. After cleaning the terminals and connectors, apply a thin layer of antioxidant compound. This will help to prevent corrosion and improve the electrical contact. When tightening the connections, apply the torque gradually and evenly. Avoid over-tightening the connections, as this can damage the terminals and connectors. After tightening the connections, double-check them to ensure that they are all properly torqued. In addition to proper torque, it is also important to use the correct type of connectors. There are different types of connectors available for UPS battery systems, including bolt-on connectors, compression connectors, and quick connect connectors. Bolt-on connectors are the most common type, and they provide a secure and reliable connection. Compression connectors are used for connecting wires to terminals, and they provide a gas-tight seal that prevents corrosion. Quick connect connectors are used for making temporary connections, and they are often used for testing and troubleshooting. When selecting connectors for a UPS battery system, it is important to choose connectors that are rated for the voltage and current of the system. It is also important to choose connectors that are made from corrosion-resistant materials. Regular maintenance is essential for ensuring the reliability of UPS battery connections. A regular maintenance program should include the following steps. Firstly, visual inspection. Regularly inspect the connections for any signs of corrosion, damage, or looseness. Secondly, torque testing. Check the connections with a torque wrench to ensure that they are within the specified range. Thirdly, cleaning. Clean the terminals and connectors to remove any corrosion or dirt. Fourthly, antioxidant application. Apply a thin layer of antioxidant compound to the terminals and connectors. Fifthly, battery testing. Test the batteries to ensure that they are functioning properly. Frequency of maintenance will depend on the environment in which the UPS is operating. In harsh environments, such as those with high humidity or temperature variations, more frequent maintenance may be required. In addition to the above steps, it is also important to keep the UPS battery system clean and dry. Dust and moisture can contribute to corrosion and other problems. The battery system should be cleaned regularly with a soft cloth. In summary, loose UPS battery connections can lead to a variety of problems, including increased resistance, voltage drop, arcing, and component damage. Proper torque is essential for ensuring the reliability of UPS battery connections. Regular maintenance, including visual inspections, torque testing, and cleaning, is also important. By following these steps, you can help to ensure that your UPS battery system remains reliable and provides backup power when you need it most. Neglecting these seemingly minor details can indeed take the you out of UPS, rendering it unreliable when it is needed most. Always adhere to manufacturer specifications and recommended maintenance schedules.